In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your entire screen with Copilot Vision in Windows 11. This is a fantastic feature that allows for easy collaboration, whether you're working from home, in an office, or even in a classroom setting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Having the latest version ensures you have all the newest features and security updates. To check that, simply click on the Start button, which is often at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, head over to Settings, which looks like a little gear icon. In the Settings menu, click on Windows Update, and then select Check for Updates. If there's anything pending, go ahead and install it, then restart your computer if needed. Next, you'll want to open the application or screen that you want to share. This could be anything from a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint to a website in your browser. Whatever it is, have it open and ready to go before you share your screen. It's always good to prepare what you want your audience to see ahead of time. Now, let's move on to using Copilot Vision for screen sharing. Look for the Copilot icon, which typically resembles a small headset or a similar symbol, located on your taskbar. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on the arrow to expand your hidden icons. Once you've located the Copilot, go ahead and give it a click to launch it. When Copilot opens, you'll see a variety of options and tools. Your focus now should be on finding the screen sharing feature. Generally, you will find an option labeled something similar to Share Your Screen or Present Your Screen. Click on that option. At this point, you might be prompted to select which screen you want to share if you have multiple monitors connected. If you're working from a single screen setup, you will likely see just one option here. Select the screen that you want everyone to see, and then click on the confirmation button to start sharing. Once your screen is live, it's important to ensure that you maintain privacy. Before you dive into sharing, it's a good idea to close any browser tabs or applications that you don't want your audience to see. Keep any sensitive information off the screen during your presentation or meeting. You can always switch applications by simply navigating to whatever you want to showcase next, and your audience will see these changes in real time. Communicating with your peers during screen sharing is crucial. Make sure to inform everyone whenever you're about to switch topics or navigate through different desktop applications. You can always use verbal cues like, as you can see here, to guide your audience along, or utilize things like cursors to point out important information on the screen. If at any point you need to stop sharing your screen, revisit the Copilot Vision bar. There should be a straightforward option to stop sharing. Click that when you're done, and then take a moment to check in with your viewers. Getting feedback or answering questions can greatly increase engagement, and your audience will appreciate it. And that covers how to share your entire screen with Copilot Vision in Windows 11. It's an incredibly handy tool that can enhance your presentations and improve collaboration. Give it a try, and you'll see how seamless your meetings can become. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.